You work for an advertising firm where you work with specific files and use certain tools all the time. It would be nice to be able to set Blender so it opens with these settings turned on by default every time. Customizing your screen settings. In order to get some practice adjusting interface settings, set up your Blender program to some of these commonly used but not initially enabled features in the User Preferences setting. Input tab. Check Emulate 3-button mouse if you do not have a mouse with a wheel. The Alt-left button will act like a mouse wheel. Check Emulate number pad if you are using a keyboard without a number pad. This will make the buttons 1 through 9 and 0 act like the number pad buttons, useful in the next chapter. Add-on tabs. 3D view. Make sure the dynamic context menu is checked. All of the Add Curve options, as well as the Add Mesh options. Any additional import-export commands you need or instructor recommends. Look through the list for any other add-ons of importance to you. Themes tab. Experiment with the preset themes to see if any interest you. There is a reset to default theme to go back to the basic theme. File tab. If you have textures, sounds, or fonts saved in a specific location and would like Blender to go there directly every time you want to add one of these resources, set these paths now by clicking on the file folder picture by each line. If using a standard Windows computer, set the path to the following for fonts. If you're using a personal computer or your instructor tells you to do so, press the Save User Settings in the bottom left-hand corner of the User Preferences window. Every time you now launch Blender, these settings should now be the defaults.